Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the front elevation, the plan of a prism, and also the auxiliary elevation of that prism. Drawing a horizontal line. Okay, so the height of my prism is given as 5 centimeters. So I'll take my measurement 5 centimeters. And the breadth is given as 3 centimeters. So having got that, I'll use this to get the other side. Take this measurement this way, put here and mark it. So that is my prism. Now I'll be drawing the plan. As the front elevation. Now I'll be drawing the plan. So this is the plan of my prism. After I've done that, to draw the auxiliary elevation of my prism, looking at this direction, looking towards this direction, then I'll take an angle. I'll take an angle of 45 degrees. Using my 45-degree set square. This is what I'll use. To project. If I've gotten that at 45 degrees, that means that this other side, which will be hidden, will not be visible when drawing the auxiliary elevation. So I'll take 30 degrees set square to do that. Okay, so I'll take this off. Okay, now I have gotten that at 13 degrees. now remaining for me to project my line. So I'll take this measurement 5, take it here, A and B, or the other way around, A and B. Okay, take this measurement and place it this way, which is this. So next I'll then project a line using 90 degrees. And next I'll take the same measurement, 5. Okay. So now that I have finished, it's now remaining for me to take the outline and see how our drawing looks like. Okay, so for this, well, this is a very simple drawing. Does not waste much of time. It's just, there is no curve in it, no circle. It's just a straight line. So that is why it's just very easy to draw. Okay, then for this, looking towards here, that means this line will not be hidden, so I'll draw it this way, but this other one will be hidden. I'll draw them hidden dashes. Okay, well, it's very simple to draw, very simple to draw. Now we call it the auxiliary elevation. Of a prism. So this is the auxiliary elevation of a prism. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch some other exciting videos.